Now, if you want to recover a deleted Apple Music playlist, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here. So, first thing that you could try doing is you may want to check the recently deleted in the music app, so which is applicable for iOS 17 and later. So if you're on the newer iOS version, Apple recently added a recently deleted section for playlists. Now you want to open up the music app and go to your library and scroll down, and if the option is there, you can restore the playlist with a tap. Now, also, you could look into or look in iCloud Music Library. Now, if you have iCloud Music Library or Sync Library turned on, sometimes the deleted playlists aren't completely gone. So you just need to go to your settings, go to music, and on your iPhone or iTunes on your computer, make sure Sync Library is enabled and refresh your library so your missing playlist might reappear. Next is you may want to use the iTunes on your computer. So if you've ever synced your iPhone or backed up through iTunes, you may be able to restore the playlist. So open iTunes, check your library, and see if the playlist is still saved there. Now you can then sync it back to your device. Now, also you could try restoring it from an iCloud or iTunes backup. Now, if the playlist is nowhere to be found, restoring your device from an earlier backup when the playlist still existed can bring it back. So just keep in mind this will not roll back your phone to that date, so you might lose newer data unless you back it up first. And if all fails here, you can you could go into your Apple Music app, check your listening history, and it won't bring back the playlist in one tap, but it can help you manually recreate it by just basically viewing your recently played and recreating it again. Now, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.